National Institute of Science and Technology is a premier engineering and management institute in the state of Odisha. Situated on the national highway connecting Chennai and Howrah, and a 10-minute drive from the Silk City of Berhampur, the institute is home to over 3,000 students from over 15 states of India. Students pour in from different parts of the country with the hope of making their future bright with the right education, good research, career development, and most importantly, being placed in some of the top-notch companies of the world.
We started the placement activities of NIST in the year 1999 when the first company has visited our campus, which was Satyam Computer Services Limited. And since that time there has been no looking back, as year after year we have got all the top-notch companies visiting our campus and placing our students.
Ever since its establishment in the year 1996, and from its first ever graduating batch, NIST has been successfully delivering remarkable results in campus recruitment. The institute pioneered the campus recruitment process by placing the first batch of 7 students in Satyam Computer Services Limited, Hyderabad in the year 1998, the time when campus placement was unthinkable of in the state of Odisha. Since then, there has been no looking back, and NIST has taken many leaps forward in placement activities. From top recruiters of the country to global players, companies make a beeline for recruiting some of the best talents of the country, nurtured at NIST, having the best infrastructure for training students in placement activities. Long-standing association of NIST with industries like Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, NetLogic, Myntra, Broadcom, CG Corel, Sankalp Semiconductor, Emphasis, Microsoft, Google, Dropbox, Adobe Systems, and many others has borne fruit for hundreds and thousands of engineering and management graduates over more than past 2 decades. Students have been offered salary packages ranging from 3 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum. Placing 50 to 80% of students year after year, NIST has become the most sought after destination for students of Odisha and other parts of the country. Visited by over 200 different companies since the first placement drive, the institute has become the cynosure of all eyes for many aspiring engineers and managers. For its relentless work and remarkable placement record, the department has received a number of certificates of appreciation from top global industries. The onus of this humongous task of training and placing the students is on the shoulders of the placement department of the institute, headed by Professor Gitika Mudali as the placement director. Professor Mudali is a B.Tech from Osmania University, Hyderabad, and has done her MS from New Jersey Institute of Technology, USA. For her stupendous work, she has also been conferred with the Odisha Women Award 2018. She has given new dimension to the placement and pre-placement training activities in the state of Odisha. The placement department has been working tirelessly for instilling the right skills in students and making them industry ready.
I'm born and brought up in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I did my matriculation as well as the intermediate from Vidya Bharati Chinmay Vidyalaya.
Modulation is one of the important concepts in communication engineering.
Yes, sir. So the series resonance is the condition when the maximum voltage flows in our circuit.
My project is about MU controller, which establishes the rotor stability.
The training is done throughout the 4 years. That is starting from first year. We train them for English speaking skills and many other skills. But we give them a specialized training in the 3rd year where they have to undergo a course compulsorily called the Business Communication Skills courses. We have tied up with FACE, that is Focus Academy of Career Enhancement, for the purpose of training our students.
Through the in-house training programs by its own faculty members, summer training programs by its faculty and industry experts, Professional training programs by some of the most renowned and best trainers of the country, the placement department prepares the students to face any challenges of the future technologies. The personality development training initiated by the placement department is a niche program of NEST, which takes utmost care of students in honing and brushing up their personality traits. And because of all these rigor, NEST students can be found across the length and breadth of the globe, heading and managing corporate affairs in different leadership roles.
Hi, I'm Danish. I've been placed in Infosys.
I'm Kuldeep Paswan from Bokaro Shell City, Jharkhand, and I got placed in Wipro Technologies through campus recruitment process held at NIST Berhampur.
It's Karishma Tripathi. I'm pursuing my BTech at National Institute of Science and Technology in Electrical Engineering. I had been placed in two companies, that is Infosys and Mindtree.
I'm Priya Kumari from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have recently been placed in Infosys.
I am Ankit Patra from Berhampur, Odisha. I have been placed in two companies, TCS and Infosys.
I'm Samiksha Mishra and I am from Faridabad, Haryana. I have been placed in Savia IT company.
I'm Bandita Mahapatra. I am from Rourkela. My branch is Computer Science and Engineering. I'm placed in three companies, Mindtree, Infosys and TCS.
With a strong background and a strong experience of the past, we are quite hopeful that we will be marching ahead in placement activities in all the future years to come. And we are also well assisted by our alumni who are placed in all the top-notch companies, and they are now the vice presidents and CEOs of many big companies.
My name is Dheeraj Kumar Bhatt. I'm an alumni of 2006-2010 batch from NIST. I'm working in Tata Consultancy Services, and we joined in 2006 with a free mind and as a fresher, and we never knew that it will land up with such a great memory which we are cherishing right now. I got through two companies, and that was a great thing at that time. NIST is one of the best places for placements in Odisha.
I am Ankita Swain, a 2010 Nistian. Currently, I'm working as a senior consultant in Deloitte. And I definitely would say this, that I owe to NIST a big chunk of what I am today. NIST is the best institute for placements and personal development.